You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce those two words and what is the difference in the meaning. What's the difference between those two words? So first let's look at the pronunciation, then we'll get to the subtle difference in meaning. Distinct is the top word here. Distinct, with a stress on the second syllable, distinct. The bottom word here is distinctive. Distinctive. Alright, so now to the meaning. Distinct simply means that two things or two persons are different, okay? They are distinct, they are separate. If you wish, you cannot confuse them one with another. They are distinct, meaning simply different. Now, distinctive is used to describe a feature, a quality, or a characteristic that a person has or an object that makes it different from any other. So, for example, I don't know, the person has a very, very curly hair. This is a distinctive feature, okay? Distinctive. A characteristic that makes somebody or something look very different from anything else. It's distinctive, okay? While distinct just means you can tell from one another. So it's just a slight small difference. Distinct, which just means different essentially, while distinctive means really, really different, a very specific feature. Did you get this? Let me know in the comments. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.